Good afternoon, this is Louis Cheyne. I'm the MD of Gabion Baskets. It's Saturday afternoon, the 25th of March. I'm standing here at the Homemakers Fair in Midrand, Johannesburg, and we're currently portraying our products and services to the DIY and home market. Just explaining some of the things we offer the DIY and home market, are obviously retaining walls made out of gabions, and for the river soil erosion protection offerings, because a lot of people have these sort of problems. Most of our business is for river stabilization of banks to stop soil erosion on river banks and around corners along people's boundaries of their properties. We assist in a lot of that. So the new trends in our industry are obviously in the architectural market, where we providing the use of more square weld mesh type materials that look a lot better than the old hexagonal woven mesh materials, and we offer those in a wide variety of wire diameters and openings of mesh. Up to now we've been offering a 50 by 50 opening, a 50 by 100 millimeter opening, and a 75 by 75 millimeter mesh opening. All those meshes are supplied with the 3 millimeter class A galvanized wire diameter to stop corrosion of the mesh, and we build those in our factory here in Johannesburg in Bramley. So we're quite shortly going to be able to polyethylene coat our gabions, welded mesh as well, to give them the long-term design life, where we're in situations where there's a lot of possibility of corrosion of the mesh, in situations where we might be near a river or stream that we can get water causing rusting of the gabions. Obviously, for many years now, we've been providing the hexagonal woven mesh gabions, 80 by 100 millimeter aperture, 2.7 millimeter mesh wire diameter, to the civil engineering industry predominantly, and quite a bit also to the mining industry. Now, the new developments in that sector are we starting to move from the heavy-duty zinc galvanized materials to the new polymer materials with 5% aluminium coating. We're probably going to have that in the next 6 months available. We're going straight to 10% aluminium coating, alloy coating, with the 90% zinc coating, to improve the design life of the zinc-coated product from maybe 20-30 years to at least double that. And the PVC-coated materials also, in the past it's been a design life of 60 years, to push that to 120 years. The polyvinyl chloride or PVC-coated mesh that we've used in rivers for the civil engineering sector in the past, we are also upgrading to a new polymer coating, which is called the HDPE, or high density polyethylene coating, to give it a longer lifespan on sites, a longer sensitivity for sunlight damaging it, and better resistance to damage in our factory. And it's also a cheaper product to provide, so it's going to give us a better life expectancy on site, and then also the ability to be able to provide it at a slightly cheaper price. So not only do we manufacture these materials, but we provide them to the industry, and we go to sites and do full civil engineering designs of structures. We provide the materials, and if the client wants to do it themselves, we can send a trainer to site to show him how that's done, using their own labor, or we do a full advisory and installation assistance now with our own teams, both in Johannesburg and Durban. In Cape Town, we have an agent there still, Carl Kroos, who does all of our installations for us. So it's an exciting time, lots of change in the market like everywhere else, and we're ready for it, and we're excited to talk about it. Thank you very much.